Probability exercise number 27. A math class consists of 25 students, 14 male, female, and 11 male. 2 students are selected at random to participate in a probability experiment. Compute the probability that A male is selected, then a female. So I think we could look at this as a probability of a male and then a female. So the probability of a male being selected would be 11 out of 25. Okay, and then a female. So one of the students has already been selected, so now there's 24. And a female has not been selected yet, so there would be 14. Okay, so multiplying across, we get 11 times 14 is 154. And the 25 times 24 yields 600. And this will simplify to 77 over 300. B. They want the probability of choosing a female and then a male. So female, there's 14 out of 25. One student is gone, and then now we have 24. But the next one is a male, so that would be 11. I think you could probably figure out that we're going to get the same thing, right? The 154 out of 600, which would reduce to the 77 out of 300 again. So C is what's the probability that 2 males are selected. So we're looking at a male and then another male. So a male would be, for the first choice, 11 out of 25. One student is taken, and we're going to say that one male is taken. So that's going to be now a 10 out of the 24. So we should get 110 out of 600 again. Okay, and that is going to reduce to 11 over 60. Okay, D, 2 females are selected. So there were 14 females. So we have the probability of first a female being selected. And then there's now 24 students. And once one female has already been selected, another female will be selected. So the 14 times 13 gives us 182. We're still getting 600 in the denominator. And I believe this simplifies to 91 over 300. Yes. All right, and then E is what's the probability that no males are selected? Well, when you think about it, didn't we just do that? No males are selected means that 2 females are selected. So that would be just like what we did on D. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 91 over the 300.